Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be talking about another library of CSV inside Node.js which allows you to read and parse the contents of a CSV file and display it inside the command line. This library is called as a-csv. This is a library and the package which it's a very lightweight CSV parser package. 117 weekly downloads are there at the time of recording this video. So basically you can even download it as you can install it in as a global dependency. You can use it inside a CLI tool, but I will be showing you how to use it inside our Node.js application. All the source code is given in my blog post on my website. I've written a complete blog post, so go to it and basically read it. And now after you install this, we can simply basically import this package by the require statement, and we will simply say a-csv. This is a package, and then basically guys we will import the file name where we will be parsing or displaying the results. So as you can see, we have got users.csv. This we have comma separated value. We have 3 columns: name, age, country, and 2 rows of data is there. So we will be displaying the content of this file in the command line. We will be successfully parsing and reading the content of this file. So now to parse this CSV file, guys, it's very easy. We have basically need to provide options here. So we just need to provide a delimiter option. So we have the delimiter property here. This character can be anything, and here we are providing comma because in this case the delimiter is comma, which is separating the column names and the actual values. This is called as delimiter. So instead of comma here, it can even be having semicolon as well. For instance, we are taking example here for comma. So after you provide this, we also have the property called as character set, and this I will say win to 1250. This is basically the default value. And now guys, it contains a parse method, this library, and here you will pass the actual file and the actual options here. And then we have got the simple callback function which will have error row and next. This is basically the arguments to this callback function. And now we will simply check if any sort of error take place. We will simply return this error on the console if the file name is not correct. And then basically if row is not equal to null, if some data is present, then we will simply console log that row. We will simply say console log row, and we will simply say return next. We will go to the next row and we will again call this function. And then we will, after all the rows are fully finished, we will simply say finished like this. So now if you see guys, so it will now print out all the data here which is present. This is name, age, country. This is Gautam 25 India and Adam 21 Australia. You will see that. It will print out all the data that is there inside this users.csv file. And now if I change the delimiter to this one guys, if I change it from comma to semicolon, so what you will see here, so now if you refresh it guys, what you will see basically, if I refresh it, you will see that it will basically put the delimiter here. Instead of comma, it will put the semicolon. You will see that our delimiter, if I provide here semicolon here, so now if you see here, it will change to comma here. You will see that. So in this way guys, you can basically read the content of any CSV file using this package a.csv. So all the source code is given in the description of the video. Thank you very much.